Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today's going to be an exciting day. A lot of stuff going to happen. I'm going to take you with me, so stick around. We're currently in this beautiful forest here in the Netherlands, and it's a big forest. And let me just put you right there. It's a big nature reserve, and in this nature reserve, I think 95% of all the wild animals that we use on our channel come from, because this is a nature reserve in the Netherlands, and in the Netherlands it's not really, well, how should we say it, it's not wild. It's more of like an organized patch of forest with a lot of wild animals in it that needs to be taken care of. So the wild boar, for instance, there are around 5,000 wild boar living in this nature reserve. And every year, these wild boar, they get a lot of babies. And these babies need to be, well, harvested. Because otherwise we're gonna have too many wild boar, we're gonna have too much deer running around here, and we only have around maybe 10 wolves or so. So that's not gonna work out. So a lot of that meat comes in and then goes to my butcher, and he takes care of it. He selects the premium animals, the most beautiful ones, and then he makes sure we get them. And that's the good part. So that's why we're here shooting some video with our beautiful big car, getting some nice shots, making some dust clouds, and Mitchell and Morrison are doing some prep work over there. Let's see how it's going on their end. How's it going?
Good.
Are we getting the good shots?
Getting attacked by wasps again.
Attacked by wasps?
It's not at the barn, it's here. They're everywhere.
I think they love you, man. They love you.
You're set. I'm set.
You're set?
I'm not yet set. Almost set. We're going to do an improvised action cam mount. What do you think? Will this work?
No.
I think it will.
We can just stick it on a rock or something.
No, this will work.
I'm more of an old school type of guy.
This is 6 kilograms.
Okay.
If I just fold it over like this,
yeah,
then this ain't going nowhere.
See? His name is not really Mitchell. I didn't tell you guys, but his name is MacGyver. So he's got his duct tape, he's got his knife. It's all gonna be fine. I don't even know why I'm even interfering with the process. I'm just gonna let the man do what he does. That's what I do. Let people do what they do. And then when the meat comes, I start focusing on it. That's my job.
Going back to my video clip era.
You did some nice videos in the past. And this is what it felt like.
This is what it feels like.
Except, but this car is big.
Yeah.
Like you want the dust or
How fast do you want to go? I think you want to go 60, Morrison.
Yeah.
Morrison wants to go 60. We just finished getting all the shots that I wanted to get, and now getting out of here. Well, we got a little GoPro mounted over there, and we're good to go. We're gonna go to the butcher and we're gonna have some fun there. Pick up some beautiful meat, so that's gonna be definitely some good. Just arrived at the butcher shop. And Gert-Jan van der Horst, of course, if you're interested in maybe shopping there. And we're gonna pick up that cow now. This is exciting time, guys. The best butcher shop in all of Eerbeek.
So what are we doing?
We're positioning the car to load it up because we don't want to move all that weight for a long walk. We just want to get the car close. So we just positioned. We're gonna record with Morrison, standing by with camera. Shorts on. This is the best place to be today.
This is the best.
This is the best place. 40 degrees. Do you even know how warm it is outside?
Nee, gelukkig niet.
But Gert-Jan hooked us up again. I asked him, could we have another one of the beautiful Haasteinse cow that we had last time? Beautiful piece. We're probably gonna take this whole piece as a roast, I think, or at least 4 bones of it. Do you think we can manage 4 bones as a roast out of this? Yes. And then we're going to have like a big section, take off the belly part and set this in the dry age for a long time. Now here, this is the T-bone section, this part. on this side, you want to go on this side, you want to go as far as possible down because you're going to get way more of that beautiful loin that sits here for that porterhouse steak. But on the other hand, on this side, you're going to get silver skin underneath this fat. And that silver skin is going to get thicker and thicker at the moment you go more towards that thicker tenderloin. So it's like the middle of this, that's the sweet spot. That's like for the meat lovers, just get the middle section. Where the sweet spot sits, don't get the porterhouse with the thickest loin because you're going to have a lot of silver skin sitting underneath that fat. Hey Jan, thank you very much. See you in a month. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to move it into the car. Let's go home and take this thing apart. Back home, getting our beautiful meat out.
Can I peek?
Yes, let's go.
Oh man, this is so much. It's so much meat.
Loaded. We're totally loaded. But seriously, this fits a half a cow. This car, and we could probably stack 5 or 6 of them. What do you think?
I think 5 whole cows, basically.
5 whole cows, probably. Probably 2 cows.
2 whole cows.
2 whole cows.
Let's do
Payload.
it. Oh.
No, I'll set up for this first.
Okay.
Because I have to butcher it still. So that's gonna be now. You might be wondering why I'm going through all this effort to butcher a piece of meat like this myself. Well, let me tell you, there are like 2 big factors why I love doing this. If you butcher a cow yourself, you can take the cuts out that you want in the sense that you want. Like the beautiful big cuts that you want for barbecue. You can make tomahawks, maybe you like ribeyes. So you're creating whatever you want and whatever you need. For instance, this little bit of scrap is a piece of the skirt stick. Now I'm not throwing that away. This is absolutely beautiful. Normally a butcher would maybe put this in a hamburger, but he wouldn't sell it. And to me, that's a valuable piece that I'm getting out of this cow that you otherwise would not get. So being able to create your own cuts gives me the liberty of making beautiful things. The other big advantage is that I pay a much lower price. And there you have it. The real reason is, if I buy a half-sided cow and the butcher didn't have to do anything, just sell this to me, I'm paying a much lower kilogram price. So he's still making a little bit of profit, he doesn't have to do all the work, I'm doing a lot of work for him, I get the cuts that I want, but I'm paying way less. So for instance, if you reckon the price on ribeye per kilogram is 65 euros at the moment for good quality, and then here I'm getting the same thing at a lot lower price. Hey, I'm having fun, I'm getting the cuts that I want, and I'm getting it at a low price. And then I get to hang it in my dry aging cabinet and dry age it for as long as I want. This is the ultimate flexibility. This is what I want. My God, the heat is getting to us. It's time to finish off. I had an awesome day. We were out with the INEOS Grenadier. Then they even brought us some like super awesome billboards for us to look at, because I'm gonna need to order one. I already put in my preference, but I'm rethinking everything. And that's the problem. Too many choices.